trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, ooh, I'm so fancy.
Yo, what is up guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, travel, and everything in between. Now, today I've got a pair of sneakers to show you guys from Onism. So I want to give a big shout out to Cristiano for contacting me and deciding to bless me with a pair of one of their products. So let's just get into it. So if you guys don't know, Onism is a brand based out in Portugal. It is a premium like leather sneaker that they offer, and it's one of the ones that I was, I didn't really know about them until they approached me. They are relatively new. They're not new where they just started yesterday, but compared to some of the other like common projects, brands, stuff like that, they are like relatively a little bit smaller than them. But they do have these really cool images already that they have for their actual brand on Instagram, on their website. So, they're getting places, guys. And let's just get into the sneaker. So as you can see there, they have this premium box that I do really like. You're given this letter, say Onism, and then you're given this letter here, which are basically sort of, I think they're instructions, yeah. Our shoes are made with high quality materials using the best handmade manufacturing techniques. Hey. To preserve the quality and the beauty of your shoes, we recommend that you keep your shoes away from direct sunlight and heat. Avoid rubbing your shoes with rough or abrasive materials. In case of marking, consult a cleaning specialist or a cobbler, or speak to anyone from the sneaker laundry. Ding! To clean these shoes, you should use a soft and damp cloth. So once the leather is dry, you may polish it in circular motions using a colorless wax and a soft cloth, or you can follow the steps of dedicated shoe cleaning brands. Like you can use Crep Protect or these other ones, Rejuvenator, but definitely check out the sneaker laundry, guys. So hope you enjoy your sneakers. Follow us on social media for more news and updates. Onism Official. So thanks once again, Cristiano and the guys from Onism, for giving me the sneaker. So as all premium brands out there, they always offer a dust bag like this one. So this is a really unique one. Usually you get like a brown or a white one. This is my first one that is actually dark brown. So this is pretty cool. And let's get into the sneakers, shall we? All right, so these are the sneakers over here. I'll get the other one out. I like it how they have the black kind of paper as well to separate the shoes. So let's get into the sneakers. So as you can see, it is a very, very plain and simple sneaker. They're very similar to the actual Oliver Cabell sneakers that I bought a while ago and that I did a review on. And that's actually why they approached me, because they saw that video and they really liked it and they wanted me to do one for them. That's why they decided to offer me a pair, which I'm very, 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 very thankful for, of course. And as you can see, these are very minimal. So they do have the standard kind of rubber sole there as well on the bottom, with a very plain and simple herringbone design. They do have the rubber tape along the front and on the back as well, with very, very minimal branding, as you can see there, right there. Oops, like a very minimal branding right there, and on the top right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Onism right there. And they do have very soft cotton laces, as you can see there, that are already laced, and they got a little bit of a different colored inner lining. I think that's the calf skin, which is nice to the touch as well. So, and it's got the detailing inside. Live life, y'all. So that's what we definitely do here in KIXPLORE. So I'm very happy about these actual sneakers. So very plain and simple. They match almost any outfit, guys. That is why I cannot stress enough to you guys to get a pair of white sneakers. And one of the reasons why you should get the Onism brand is that they do have high quality, premium, not the fake stuff, alright guys? So they don't like skimp out on their actual like design, the materials. And they do all this at a very, very affordable cost, guys. So I had a little bit of look, don't quote me on it, but I didn't find any other cheaper white sneakers that offer premium quality leather. So there are cheaper white shoes out there, of course. You can get the Vans ones, you can get all these other different ones, but in terms of premium quality, I couldn't find a cheaper one. And that's why I really like Onism, because they do offer something that is not like the common projects ones. They can fetch up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but you know, they just want a timeless design, okay, that can match a lot of different kind of outfits, seasons, and they don't want to create a sneaker that just kind of lasts for a year. They actually say on their website that they want a sneaker that can actually last 10 years, so they can last the trends. So I know they source their leathers and stuff from Australia and New Zealand, and they get it shipped to Italy, where they can get it all tanned and stuff, and after that it gets sent to Portugal, where their main base of operations are, and that's where they kind of handcraft all their sneakers. Guys, if you can hear footsteps and scratching, it's because of Gucci. Gucci! Yeah, she's just walking around, guys, don't mind her. And guys, I do really have to say, I've tried them on and these feel phenomenal. Like, I mean, they're not like, obviously like Nike Reacts and stuff, but they do feel, like surprisingly cushiony. I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but they do have multiple layers inside for the insole, and yeah, it's just a nice ride. And what I do like about it, guys, is that well, because I'm a wide footer, and technically some of the other sneakers that I wear, they do leave a lot of room in the toe area, whereas this one, I don't know, it just felt so right, so nice when I actually did put it on foot. I don't know if it was just because I was stepping on carpet or whatever, but yeah, they was really nice on foot, and I really do highly recommend getting these, because I know with one of the kind of mission statements that the Onism guys had was to create a very comfortable and a timeless sneaker, and that's definitely something they went by, because yeah, it feels phenomenally, like surprisingly good, guys. I'm telling you. You guys got to try it once, and for the price that it's going for, it's definitely, you know, worth the experiment and to try it out. I really do recommend it. I'm not just saying this because they did send me a pair. I was actually super surprised how comfortable they were. I'm pretty sure you can go on a whole day lasting in one of these. Whole day comfort is probably what they provide, and I'm really interested though to see if they'll actually start cracking, how the cracking goes after multiple, you know, uses, and after maybe a month or that kind of stuff. But yeah, but that's just normal with any sneaker, any white leather sneaker or any leather sneaker in general. They do tend to sometimes have these creasings here and there, but I'm really excited to, you know, actually wear these out and give them a real good go. And once again, guys, you can never go wrong with a pair of white sneakers. They're beautiful. You know, they're so nice to the touch. You know, they're nicely handmade. All the stitching's very close and on point. You know, yeah, you can't, yeah, these are definitely going to be on my feet for a while, and I can always use a pair of fresh white sneakers. And don't forget, guys, when you do have white sneakers, they do obviously get very dirty very easily. So it's very important to actually use those waterproof dust and dirt kind of repellents out there. You can get it from a lot of places. I really highly suggest you do support the local guys from the Sneaker Laundry, and you know, but you can get them anywhere. So definitely put some of that on your white sneakers before you get into walking around, because you do that, you might regret it later, because once again, it's winter here, so everything, especially around my place, because it's a new kind of estate, it's really dirty. Like, guys, I would like your thoughts on these actual sneakers, what you think, and the brand Onism. You know, if you do like the actual video, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. So once again, guys, a big thank you to you watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.